Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be talking about an update to the video that I posted a few weeks back whenever I had unboxed my order that I had gotten from Beautylish containing the Super 7 from Good Molecules. So if you'd like to see the update to my Good Molecules order, then just keep watching. My name is Jeannie. If you've never been to my channel, then welcome to my channel. And this is Get This Glowing. A few weeks ago, I had ordered an order from Beautylish containing the Good Molecules Super 7 package. And this is a package that contains 7 of, I guess what they figure would be their most used products. And if you're not familiar with Good Molecules, then it is a line that Beautylish has started carrying in lieu of The Ordinary. And so I am a big fan of The Ordinary. The Ordinary has done wonderful with my skin, and so I had heard some good things said about that line, and quite honestly, I did not do my due diligence. I didn't do as much research due to what I had heard, and really not what I had heard, but from whom I had heard it from. And so I just was like, yeah, I really want to give this brand a try. So I just went full force and I ordered the Super 7 that they were offering at Beautylish for this line, because The Ordinary has been so good to me and I have enjoyed that product line so much. I have I'm looking at least 10 products right here from The Ordinary that I use and love, that I could highly recommend. And so I went ahead and I ordered this, and I was going to test the products out for 6 to 8 weeks before hopping back in and giving a review on the line. And I am cutting this short. I am going to not complete this whole full 6 weeks. So let's just go ahead and get into it, and let me tell you why I'm going to cut this short. The reason I am cutting this short is because if you saw that video, the first video that I had put out, and you were thinking of buying the Good Molecules line, I just wanted to go ahead and hop on here and cut that video, this review short, just shorten that time frame and go ahead and let you know that what I would recommend for you to do and what products I would recommend for you to buy. And I really don't think that I would recommend that you buy the Good Molecules line. And what products from The Ordinary that I would recommend that you buy. So let's go over these products in depth. So the very first thing that they have is they have this product line, and I've wrote all over these products. After I've done a lot of research, a lot of times I will write on my products, and so you'll just have to excuse that. So I have the first thing is called a Wake Up Eye Serum that is formulated with caffeine and pumpkin extract to brighten, firm, and depuff is what they say. And this retails for $8 from the Good Molecules line. And the equivalent to that is a product that I dearly love from The Ordinary. And as you can see, I've already went through, I don't know if you can tell, in the video, but I have used on this bottle about half of it already. And this is, they're both an ounce and an ounce, 30 mils of product. And this is a caffeine solution, 5%. So the problem with the Good Molecules product that I have found is that in this product, the caffeine is way down on the list of ingredients. So before you even get, you have to go through a whole list of ingredients before you ever even get to the active ingredient itself. And so that is a big problem for me. Whereas the ordinary, the caffeine solution, it's right there. It's like the second ingredient or the first ingredient. And so that to me is, I'm just not real happy about that. So on the, for the Wake Up Eye Serum from Good Molecules, if you look under the ingredients, the caffeine is, I don't know, maybe 10th, 12th, 15th on the list of ingredients. So what's that going to do for me? Nothing. And it hasn't done anything. I haven't noticed it doing anything. Whereas if I use this in the morning, my eye bags are gone. So, you know, this is a big fail for me. So, and this one is $6.70, and this is $8 for the same amount of product. So, not happy with that. So that's a major fail for me. So moving on to the next product. The next product I actually do like from Good Molecules, and that is the niacinamide product. So this niacinamide serum is a 10% niacinamide serum, and that's all that's in it, is just the niacinamide serum. And I'm very happy with it. It's a fine product. So as you can see, I have great marked on my bottle. So it's fine. I like this one. However, and that's $6. The Ordinary also has a niacinamide 10%. It does have zinc in it as well. So, and it is $5.90 for an ounce. So basically, you've got an equivalent product from the Good Molecules as well as an equivalent product from the Ordinary. This one is 10 cents cheaper. 10 cents does not matter, you know, make it or break it for me. However, convenience of where I'm ordering does make it or break it to me. So if I'm already on the Sephora website and I'm ordering my Ordinary products, then I'll pick this up. However, if I'm out and I'm on the Beautylish site and I'm ordering products, I'll pick this one up. Doesn't matter. These are equivalent to me. Does not matter which one I get. Either one of these is going to be fine for me. Doesn't matter. If you have some kind of allergy to zinc though, then you may want to pick up this. But, you know, Sephora has a rewards program. You know, it just, you know, there's little bitty reasons why you may want to pick up one versus the other. But as far as the products go, I can't think of a reason why. Okay, equivalent products. Okay, so now going on down to the next product that is in the Super 7 that I was comparing, Super Peptide Serum. This product, this product has your peptides in it. And what is an equivalent, and it has copper peptides. So there's two products in the Ordinary line that may be somewhat equivalent to this. If I was going to choose a product in the Ordinary's line to be equivalent, I would go with the Buffet plus copper peptides, because you do have copper peptides in the Super Peptide Serum. So the Super Peptide Serum in Good Molecules looks like this, and it's $12. The Buffet Plus Copper Peptides in the Ordinary is $28.90 for the same amount of product. So that's quite a bit of a difference in price. There is another product that doesn't have the copper peptides. And there is a question whether copper peptides even do anything for you. So you could go with just the regular Buffet. And that's going to be quite a bit cheaper. I want to say that might be around the $12 price point. I'm not sure. I can't remember. But that's the one that I have. And it's a peptide serum as well. So because they didn't have that particular Buffet plus the copper peptides when I bought my Buffet serum. So that's why I don't have the one with the copper peptides. So anyway, this one is okay for me. It hasn't caused, me any problems. But there is one drawback to this serum that some people may have, is that it has bergamot oil, essential oil in it. And so that could be irritating to some people. So it's an essential oil. It has a bergamot has a natural fragrance to it. There is a little bit of a fragrance in here. It's so far down on the ingredient list that you really cannot smell it. Now, this particular essential oil does have anti-acneic properties to it. So if you have acne, then you may like this very much. If it doesn't, you can always do a patch test to see if it's going to break you out or if you're going to have sensitivities to this essential oil. But this essential oil does have anti-scarring properties, and it has anti-acneic properties. And so that for those with oily skin that are prone to acne, then this might be something that might work very well for you, and you may like this very much. So this might be one of those products under the Good Molecules label that you may like better than the Ordinary. I'm not sure. And the Ordinary that has the copper peptides is quite a bit of a price point higher. So that might be something to think about. That you might want to give this a try. However, I am drier skinned, and I am sensitive skinned. So even though this has not given me a problem yet, it's something that I do think about, and I don't need that anti-acneic property, and I don't have scarring, so I don't need that in this product. Okay, the next product in the Good Molecules line that I really, really want to talk about is the Overnight Exfoliating Treatment. This is one that I will not use. So this is what it looks like. The ninth ingredient, this is $6, first of all. It's $6 just for this. Not if you're purchasing it in the $56 Super 7 package. The ninth ingredient in this is denatured alcohol. So if you're going to have a skincare product, please do not put denatured alcohol in it, especially if this says overnight treatment on it. For me, whenever my skin's repairing itself overnight, do not put denatured alcohol in that product line for me. This is a pet peeve of mine. And so this alone is enough to make me drop your line. I'm not going to purchase from you. I'm not going to purchase this line at all. So this is the product that, It's not for me. No, I'm going back to the Ordinary, and this is why. So, scratching that. As far as the exfoliator in the Ordinary line, you've got your choice of two. You can do a 5% lactic acid plus hyaluronic acid, or you can do the 10%. The 10% is $6.80, and that's about the same price point as the 5% lactic acid. I have the 5% just because my skin is very dry and sensitive, and so you know, you can do whichever one you want. If you have a little bit more of a hardier skin type, then you can go ahead and do the 10%, but you do not want to be exfoliating your skin every day anyway, maybe once or twice a week. And then another one that they do offer that I have that I do on a weekly basis, or maybe an every other week basis, is I have their AHA 30%, BHA 2%, and this is an awesome product, and it is much like the baby facial from Drunk Elephant, and so that is another very good product from the Ordinary. So then the other two last products are the small oils that came in this. One is the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil, and this is the one with the camellia and sea buckthorn in it. And they don't have anything that's quite exact to that in the Ordinary line, but the oil that I like in the Ordinary line is the Rose Hip Seed Oil, and that is, I have that one right here, and I love this oil. The reason why I love a Rose Hip Seed Oil is because it does have a pro-retin A in it, which is like your retinol, and so it's very, very good for cell turnover. So I do like that one. The second one is their squalene oil, and the Ultra Hydrating Facial Oil is $10. Their squalene oil is $8, and you're only getting 13 mils or 0.44 fluid ounces, and you're getting a whole 1 fluid ounce in the Ordinary, and the Rose Hip Seed Oil is $9.80. And the oil that I like for the squalene oil is the bee oil, and it's $9.20 from the Ordinary. And I do not have that one. I have just the plain plant-derived squalene oil from the Ordinary. And so, if it were me, you know, if I had to do this over again, I would not buy the Good Molecules line. I would just stick with my Ordinary products. I feel like that they're superior to this line. I find that my results that I've gotten from the Ordinary have been great. I love their products. I do use a combination of the Ordinary and my Timeless skincare, and I feel like my skin has looked great since I've been doing that. I kind of swap it up a little bit, and I've never had a problem with my Ordinary products, and I don't find any of the ingredients that are in there to be ones that I don't want on my face. And so I was very disappointed to see in the Good Molecule line that they have used denatured alcohol. So I hope that this update was helpful for you, and if you liked this video, I hope that you'll give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Just hit the big red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the post notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I upload new video content to my channel. Thank you for watching today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!